Welcome to All In On YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to connect ADB to Wi-Fi without using Wi-Fi router. Special thing about this is you don't need wireless debugging feature for this. So let's start our video. Next we need to connect Android device and PC using Wi-Fi direct. For that you need to use this app. I already created video about it. You can find link in the description. Now we connected devices using Wi-Fi direct. Next we need to connect Android device and PC using USB cable. Now we connected devices using USB connection. Next we need to go to developer options in Android device. Enable USB debugging option. Click OK. Sometimes you can see this message. Enable always allow and click on allow. Now we can use ADB command line tool on PC. If you don't know how to install it, put comment. I put all ADB commands we need into GitHub repository. You can find link in the description. First run this command to check that ADB can see your device. Now we need to set up device to listening on port 5555. Now you can unplug USB connection. You can see device is disconnected. Now we can connect to device over Wi-Fi. Now you can see device is connected. Now you can run any ADB command you want. If you want to switch back to USB mode, run this command. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Comment, like and share this video.